Hello loves, good evening and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, of course it's autumn time. I would like to make another ideas for you, especially to those who are searching for an autumn idea, colors and what to pair, and various stuff. So second thing is, anyway, thank you so much everyone who joined to my channel, who joined to my membership, for being my follower and my subscriber. Thank you so much to all my sponsors, to those who watch my videos without skipping the ads. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's proceed to the autumn outfit review, and let's see if this looks good or not. You will see it because you are, of course, part of it, because you're watching this wherever you are. And I hope you all enjoy this video, and thank you so much for being with me. So let's go and have a look how this fits me and how this looks like. So let's go. So as you can see, it's not the same color. It's brown, but the other one is like light and this one is darker. But let's see. If you don't try, you never know how this will get finished. Of course. How can you know if you never try, right? So let's have a look about this one. And of course, with this outfit, I'm gonna wear a Badura boots from Giaro. I think I tried already red and brown, but the different outfit. Let's gonna proceed to the, of course, to the, I need a belt. Which belt is better? I have two belts. I have two belts with this for this outfit. Which one is better? I think this is more close, or this one is close. No, this is too light. This one is okay. So, I think this one is the right color for this one. But so we will see how this it's good or not. So how does it look? Oh, it looks good. Is it? Let me feed a hole. Like proceed to this DIY. I made a DIY tie because I cannot find it. Then I made it from my own belt from the leather jacket. So I think it's okay. Isn't it? Yep. Sometimes you have to find something that will make you how you call it, good. So there is it. Let's put it in. So here it is. Okay, it's not red, but that's fine. You're gonna put another red on my hand. Okay. So now let's proceed to the coat and the gloves. Or maybe you like here crochet. I don't know. Maybe we can put the crochet, but the crochet is too light. That's why I didn't put it. So let's just be content with this one. And let's find out how this looks like after it's get finished. Put down my hair. I put my hair like this because when I doing the leather, so it will not it will not bother me. So I think that's better. Because some of you like that my hair is down, some of you like my hair is up. Well, sometimes down, sometimes up. So we will mix it. So there is it. proceed to the coat. It's an earth color. So what do you think about this outfit for today? Please let me know to the comment below, and I will be glad to hear what are you thinking about this outfit. And if you will ask me, I love this outfit and I love the color. I love the earth color actually. And yeah, I love this outfit. I like the fittings, the contrast. I think I never wear this, is it? I don't know anymore. But I think I never wear brown and red. Okay, I wear it once, I think. I will check my videos. I forgot it already. How many videos I made already. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed the video for today. And please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you like the video. And thank you so much everyone for being with me today. I see you all in my next video.